Hello everybody, hello traders. I hope that you are doing well and I hope that you had a wonderful and profitable week. As you know, tomorrow is a holiday. So as you can see, like we are in like we are on Forex Factory's calendar page, so we can have like the trading calendar. And tomorrow all European banks are going to be, and also markets are going to be closed. We have just one red news, and it's going to be at 3 p.m. European time, and this is going to 3 p.m. Is it going to be or European time or? Yes, so it's going to be like 3 p.m. European time, and it's going. And this news, like the ISM was, it used, like to have an impact on the USD pairs, but lately it became, like less significant. So don't expect, like huge moves once, this news is at the time of this news release. But what I want to show you today, I'm going first to tell you something. I have something to tell you that I forgot. If this is the first time that you're watching this video, so just not like, but like subscribe to my channel. And if you've subscribed already, I thank you for that, and I hope that you appreciate the efforts that I'm doing, because I'm doing this every day and I'm making market updates every day. I've never seen someone doing as many videos per day. So I do 5 videos per day, and I try to go in depth in each one of the videos. I think that most people, they're just looking for quick fixes, right? They would just want very fast information, or very fast very fast setups without any explanation. But I guess this is not helping. Why? Because if I'm just going to give you or for example, today I'm going to discuss the new New Zealand USD pair, Forex pair. We are going to have an update on this pair. But first, what I want to say is that if you don't understand how or why you are taking a trade, it's just worthless. Like worthless to tell you buy and sell. Like just flip a coin and then buy or sell, and that's it. No need to watch even a video about it, because you are just going to get influenced, but without a reason. So let me just show you something. So we have this we have this pair, and I just I've plotted this channel. So we have this channel where price has been, this is an ascending channel, as you might have as you might have expected. So this is an ascending channel, but it looks like the second it looks like the completion of a much bigger a much bigger move, right? So we have this 5 waves move, okay, and this 5 waves move has been followed, but let's do it like this. So sorry, I'm getting used to this because I'm using MetaTrader to trade, so I'm not really using this to trade. But anyways, I'm getting used to it. I will get used to it because it's so frustrating sometimes, because it's not easy to handle. Okay, as you can see, the trading, the trading setup looks like price might do a last a last push up before correcting, right? So we might have at the at the contact of this of this resistance, which is the 23.6%, we might have a contact here before before falling, and this is going to be a confluence. I hate it. This is going to be to make to make a confluence area between between the top, the completion of this second impulsive move that was that is that is a measured move, as we call it. All right, so we have a measured move here, and this measured move is has has in the middle a correction which is very easy to spot, right? So we have this flat that is very easy to spot here. So we have a correction and we have a measured move here, which can be an AB, I mean a ABC, right? And here we might have a completion of this move right now, because it can be a little bit smaller than the first move, but in case we make a double top, or even we just move a little bit higher, and just bump on the trend line or the channel, the top of the channel, we can have magnificent entry point for sell, okay, for sell. So the completion of this second move, or of this last move, I mean this last impulsive move, can happen maybe it can happen tomorrow, but more there is even a higher chance that it's going to happen by Monday, because tomorrow I don't expect forex pairs to move that much. So even if you are trading, trade with caution, because you won't have very strong moves, etc. So you won't have lots of volatility. So trade with care and with caution, and look for a completion of this move. The second scenario that you can have, because trading is about probabilities, so I'm not telling you that this is going to happen, but I always tell you here is why you should buy, or where you should buy, and what to expect, or what to have before you can buy or sell. So here let's have a look. Let's have even a deeper look. So here, if we are going to close, but this is going to be too quick for you guys, but if we are going to close, below the 23%, and this is what we are doing right now. You can try to find an entry point, but you wait for it to correct, okay? So you have to wait for it to correct. So if you don't have a correction here, and then this correction price breaks the correction, all right, don't of course don't sell, okay, because this can be this can be the completion of the down move, and we can have a retracement, even a retracement, and price retraces above in the 23.6, okay. So this is it. So you look for a buy. If you can find a buy, of course you buy, but if you can find a sell, you wait for a correction, okay, small correction, but at least a flag correction. But when you have a flag correction, you can try and sell, okay. So these are the scenarios that are possible, and I will be, I will be doing maybe 1 or 2 more videos today, because tomorrow we won't have lots of action, and I might be doing, like even more videos during the weekend, especially just to get ready for next week. Okay, so you have a good night, and if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. Please help this channel, because I'm just getting started. I just got started a few days ago, and I need your support. So I need your support. So if you can support this channel, just support this channel, because I'm giving gold, like for free. Because I'm giving gold for free, because what I'm giving you, like how to trade the markets. And as you can see, price is moving aggressively, so we might close, and we might have, like an entry point very soon. But wait for a correction. Don't chase it. Never chase price. Like wait for a correction, and then you can decide to sell, to sell. And of course we also have, we also have here, I didn't talk about it, but because divergence is not something that always works. But we have a divergence here. Okay, we have a divergence. This is a divergence. This is a clear divergence. So it looks bearish, short term, but don't rush. Wait for a correction. Otherwise, if it starts closing, like above, you can look, like for you can look for a buy. Okay, that's it. So I will talk to you soon. Thank